Number 8. The Bodum 11883-259US Melior Gooseneck electric water kettle is a sophisticated and practical addition to any kitchen. Its elegant, ergonomic design provides full control over the speed and consistency of the water flow, making it ideal for pour-over brewing. The matte black color and durable stainless steel construction give it an attractive and long-lasting appeal. One of the standout features of this kettle is its non-slip handle and knob made from natural, sustainable cork. This not only adds a stylish touch, but also protects your hands and provides supreme comfort during use. Additionally, the kettle features a stylish base with an easy-to-use power switch and automatic shutoff, offering peace of mind and convenience. With a 0.8-liter capacity, this electric gooseneck kettle is perfectly sized for use with pour-over coffee makers. Its cordless design adds to the convenience, allowing for easy handling and serving. The matte finish and stainless steel construction